Look, the gig economy promised freedom. No boss breathing down your neck, no 9-to-5 grind that crushes your soul. But what did it really bring? A wave of uncertainty, stripped down worker rights, and a brutal drop in any real security you might have counted on. That flexibility you hear so much about, it's a trap, it's a facade. Think about it. You're out there hustling, juggling gigs, trying to stitch together a paycheck that's just enough to survive, while companies stack up profits on your back and dodge every responsibility to protect you. No benefits, no health care, no paid leave, just a constant fight to prove you exist to a system that treats you like a replaceable cog. It's infuriating, and it's no accident. The gig economy was built to cut costs by cutting all ties to workers' rights, and unless something changes, it's going to keep eating away at the dignity and security workers deserve. But here's the raw truth. Waiting for governments or big corporations to fix this won't cut it. It's not about relying on those who engineered the problem to fix it for you. The real power here, yes, you, and those who run the gig economy need a reset. Start by demanding transparency. Stop signing contracts that bury your rights in endless legal jargon. Understand what you're agreeing to, and if there's no safety net, refuse the gig or negotiate better terms. Don't let the freedom pitch disguise exploitation. Next, organize. Not just by joining generic unions that barely represent what gig workers face today, but by building networks of support around your specific work type. Shared benefits, group insurance plans, pooled resources, get creative. Some founders and investors might think this is against their interest, but smart players understand that a stable, motivated workforce, even freelance, is the difference between failure and explosive growth. There's money to be made in fixing this, but only if you make it clear that uncertainty and zero protection won't be tolerated. On the entrepreneurial side, if you're hiring gig workers or contractors, wake up. Your brand depends on real relationships, not just the bottom line right now. Invest in worker autonomy, offer real value beyond checklists, and build loyalty. It's not just ethical, it's business smart. People burn out fast when they're disposable. If you want to build something that lasts, treat the people powering it like partners, not pawns. Lastly, use technology against itself. Platforms control so much of the gig economy, so push for open data on pay, conditions, and treatment. Demand regulations that enforce transparency and fair practices, but don't stop there. Create or back decentralized alternatives. Look at blockchain, cooperative platforms, anything that shifts power back to the worker, not the middlemen. The future belongs to those who claim it, not those who wait for crumbs. Bottom line, the gig economy today is a crisis disguised as opportunity. It feeds on your hustle but denies you the protections to live with dignity. You can choose to stay stuck, overworked, undervalued, and expendable. Or you can fight for a new system where the worker is empowered as a rightful stakeholder. That fight starts with sharp awareness, relentless demand for fairness, and building real, not fake, networks of support. Take this seriously. The future doesn't wait for the passive. It's for those who step up, reorganize, and take control. No excuses, no delays. The power to rewrite how this all works is in your hands. Use it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit the featured link to discover more.